Hey there everyone. In the previous class we were discussing about some Pallavi and Anupallavi and the first turn of Kamas, Swarajathi, Sambhashiva. Here in this tutorial I will be taking class of the second and the third charna. Okay. So first let's sing the Arohana and Avarohana. Samagama Padani Sa Avarohana Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Ga Ri Sa. Okay. If you are now thorough with the Pallavi and Anupallavi and the first charana, we can learn the second one. So the second charana, Paramadaya. Sari sa ni sa ni da ni da pa pa ma pa. Okay, let's cut them into pieces, small pieces. Sari sa ni sa. Here, sa can either be sung as a straight note or with the unisonant like da. Da sa. Neither way you can sing. Da sa. Sa ri. Ri is just plain note. Like in that first chara. Sa ri sa ni sa ni. That's sa ni. Ni sa sa da sa. Like in that repeat of Pallavi. Sa ni da, like that. So that's the first phrase. Sa ri sa ni sa. Then ni sa ni tha ni. Here this ni sa. Ni is having gamagam, which is da sa ni. Ni sa ni da. Ni da, that's a slide from Shadjam. Ni sa ni da, then ni. Now we are standing on this Daivada. Ni sa ni da, and from that Daivada give a slight fluctuation. Ni. That's enough. Da ni da pa da. Da ni da. Ni is having just a slide from Shadjam. Da ni da pa 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 da da pa da ma. Da ni pa. That's it. Da ni pa pa, like that. Da ni da pa da da pa da, like that. Then pa da pa ma pa. Here it's pa da. That's pa ni da. But I'm using the usage pa sa da pa da pa ma. Ma is like a dropping down from pa to pa ga up to Gandhara. Pa da pa ma, then pa, that's pa ga pa. Those are the notes. So yeah, all those phrases will sound like sa ri sa ni sa ni tha ni da ni da pa da, then pa da pa ma pa. Then Samagama mani da pa da ni. Yeah, let's move in detail. Sama. Here the ma is being lifted up from Shadja. Sama, and it is having an extra beat, so it should be sustained. Samagama ma. Ga is also having an extra beat. Samagama ma. Then again we are having one more madhyam, but if you are simply singing like that, sama ga ma ma, it is not having much embellishments. So to give some ornamentation, we have to lift up that second madhyama from Shadja. It will sound like sama ga ma ma ni da, like that. Okay. Sama, it is having a slide. Sama like sama ga ma, then ma ni da ma sama ma ni da. Here I am giving a gamam for nishadam, but it is not starting from its preceding note, which is haivadam, but here its preceding note is madhyama, and so we are lifting it up from here. Ma sa ni ma sa ni, like that, not da sa ni ma sa ni. Okay. Ma ni da ni. Yeah, here it is dasani. The second time for nishadam it's dasani. So first masani, then second is dasani. Mani dani da pa da ni ba da pa da ni that's a dasa da. Okay, or dasani, no problem. You can use either way. Mani dani da pa da ni. Then like in the first phrase, sari sa ni sa ni da, sari sa ni sa ni da, that's a slide, ni da, then da pa ma ga da pa da pa ma ga then ma pa, that's ga pa ga ma pa da ni, that's da sa da. So when combining all those phrases, the second charana will sound like sari sa ni sa ni sa ni ta ni da ni da pa da pa ma pa, then sa ma ga ma ni da pa da ni sari sa ni da pa ma pa da ni, like that. And then afterwards we can combine this with the pallavi. So if you are done with that second charana, let's move on to the third one. Here, like in it's not like in the previous charana, first and second. Here it is starting from ni, nishada. In the second charana and for that first charana, we started from shadja. Sa ri sa ni, that's the first, and the second sa ri sa. Here it is ni sa ni da pa. Ni sa ni da pa ma ga ma pa. That's the first phrase. So here ni sa vengama da sa ni. Ni sa ni da, that's a slide. Ni da sa ni. Ni sa ni da pa ma ga pa ma. Ma is being stepping down from Panchama. Pa ma ga ma. Here it is a gama form. Madhyama. Ga pa ga ma. Then pa. That's pa ga pa. So when combining them, it will sound like ni sa ni da pa ma ga ma pa. Then from that Panchama, pa tha ni da pa ma ga ma. Here it is pa tha ni. Ni is having a slide from shadja. Pa tha ni da pa ma ga ma. Ma is having just a fluctuation from Gandhara. Ga ma ga, like that. So the second phrase is pa tha ni da pa ma ga ma. And here, the next is ma ni da. Here I am using just slides, which means ma ni da ma. That's a slide from shadjam. Sama ma, and from this madhyam I lift up that ni, like that. Ma ni da. Okay, ma ni da. Then ni da. That's a slide from shadjam. Ni da pa da ni ba. Ni da pa da ni. That's da sa ni or da sa da, like that. So when combining all those phrases, the third charana will sound like ni sa ni da pa ma ga ma pa. Pa tha ni da pa ma ga ma. Ma ni da pa da ni sa. Like that's pallavi. So that's all about that second and third charana. Hope it was quite a useful tutorial for you all. I'll be completing the fourth and the fifth charana in my next video. So those who have not yet subscribed to the channel, do that now yourself, and for your suggestions and opinions, for your valuable suggestions and opinions, you should post them. Okay, you can post them as comments. So that's it. Yeah, that's it. Let's see you all in my next video. Bye.